Welcome back to Savage Motors. Today we have an absolute treat for you guys with this stunning 2017 Audi SQ7 for sale. Very sleek here with the blacked out package and tinted windows all around. This is the top of the line V8 TDI model with the Quattro all-wheel drive packing 22 inches wheels wrapped in 295/35/22 all around, and the red calipers that stands out too. It's also fully optioned and actually a pretty fast car considering the size of it. This SQ7 is powered by the legendary 4-liter twin-turbo V8 TDI engine, producing over 400 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque, making it a real powerhouse for long-haul trips or for towing. The interiors are nothing short of exceptional, with the new-age Audi design that represents a perfect bond between luxury and practicality. The main dashboard is dominated by the digital display and the new futuristic steering wheel. And what about the full black leather package with sports seats on 8-way electric adjustments, lumbar support and heated feature. And then power windows and mirrors, adaptive headlights with fog lights too, and a very comprehensive amount of remote buttons on the steering wheel such as shift pedals, infotainment, radio, Bluetooth controls and so forth. The center console houses the 4-zone climate control unit with soft touch buttons, seats heating and the Audi Drive Select, which allows to lift or lower the height of the vehicle depending on the terrain or mode selected. Here we see lift, off-road, the highest maximum setting, and then back to dynamic, which lowers it for the best handling possible. Here's the shift for the 8-speed automatic gearbox with Sport mode and tiptronic. The main infotainment system can be operated through these wheel and buttons on the main center console. And then a whole world of settings and features opens up on the main display, simplifying the vehicle setup and guaranteeing a high level of personal customization of every single aspect of the car, as you can see here. A very useful option on this car is the heads-up display and also the reversing camera with guiding lines and park assist. The back seats are spacious and comfortable, continuing with the same black leather package and a useful armrest in the middle with dual cup holder into it. All seats can be tilted and there's an additional row of seats at the back, activated electrically for both unfolding and folding down. A real 7-seater that's made for trips, families, or for the occasional golf club visit. But the real stunner here is the sunroof. A gigantic portion of the roof opens up, letting the sun and wind into the car, making the occupants enjoying the nice breeze of a summer day. There is also a screen curtain that travels all the way to the back for maximum privacy. A great car altogether, offering the best of performance, luxury, entertainment and loading capacity. This SQ7 has it all.